Hello, it's Josiah here, your newscaster for today. Okay, so today we're going to be interviewing a man named Wu-Tang Longjar with his extraordinary gift the neighborhood is all talking about. So today we're going to have that interview with him and see what it's all about.
How to do, fella?
Hello, are you Wu-Tang Longjar?
Yes, sir, in the flesh.
Okay, all right, we're the interviewers. Nice to meet you.
How you doing? Welcome to my lovely home.
Oh wow, it's a really nice place.
I know. I got it off of stock market. I don't know what that means, but this is why the interview's gonna be, and you can go sit down. You want some water?
No, I'm okay.
Alright, so we can sit here today.
Alright. Stay calm. Alright, just to let you know, I have a couple of questions already set for you.
Yep.
Okay, so what is this talent everybody's talking about?
Oh, my talent? Well, you know what? I think it's best to show you. Hey, come on.
I guess we're moving.
Alright, so here. Yeah. Well, it didn't work. I got this stuff in here. I got it here. Yep.
So, what is this about?
This, I'll show you. It's best to show you. I can't really explain it. Because I'm the only one who can do it.
Because the research I've done, everybody's talking about this type of art you do.
Yeah. Yeah.
And they say that it saves the
Oh,
world.
my God. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, right there. That's my talent. That's what everyone's talking about. That's why I'm the best around. The world's fastest microwave opener.
What?
Okay, folks, you heard it from him. That's what we're interviewing him about today. Can you describe this so-called talent of yours? How did it start for you?
My talent has started with this little oven, with this little microwave, little phone, and a little hammer that was plastic. I had this little pan, I could flip it. I never ate the plastic, but sometimes I did chew on it. Yeah, I practiced the little microwave out there. I was like, yeah, I picked up time in. The timer went off. I was like, ooh, save the world by just opening the microwave. Cause my house could have blown up, cause the boiler was right by it. But yeah.
So, you're telling me there was a Little Tikes toy set?
What is that?
You don't know what a Little Tyke toy set is?
No, that's a house, sir.
It's fake. It's not a real microwave.
That was real. That was real as a person you're sitting under this couch.
What?
No, this is real. It was real.
It was fake. As a child, it was fake. Okay? All you're doing is just trying to get attention and clout. No, I'm not gonna waste my time because you're fake. Your skill is fake. It's not a real fake. You're not saving the world. Nobody cares about what you do.
But my fans.
What? No, nobody cares about your fans. Nobody cares. Because all your fans are fake.
Expose
fake
him!
followers on your Instagram page. Yeah, I seen it. Yeah. Fake. Just no good person without talent. You're stupid. Like, why do you think that's good? I'm sorry. I'm so.